Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on something I got in PR yesterday. Actually not yesterday, it arrived a couple days ago, but I just got home yesterday. Anyway, doesn't matter. It is the KVD Vegan Beauty Epic Curl Mascara. No, not mascara. It's a lash primer. This lash primer is formulated to lift the lashes and deliver a similar curl to an eyelash curler and make lashes look fuller. I think that's kind of a cool concept. I feel like lash primers don't really make claims like that. I just kind of want to read off some of the points of this product. First of all, it is available at Sephora and I'm assuming Ulta because I don't think KVD has, or Sephora has the exclusivities to KVD anymore, so I believe you would be able to find this in Ulta as well. But in Sephora it retails for $32. So this product is a vegan lash primer powered by bamboo powder that delivers legendary lift and curl. It says it's a lash lift in a tube. I feel like that's kind of a cool marketing tactic because lash lifting is really in right now. It delivers long-lasting lift and curl without damage or tools. It is infused with natural oils to help condition as you curl, and the soft gray color helps maximize black mascara for a deeper pigment payoff. I feel like that is a really good selling point. I hate lash primers that are white. It makes no sense to me. Why would you do that? It just makes mascara go on gray. It's not a good look. Unless you want gray lashes, that's cool, but like most people don't. In a consumer study on 32 volunteers, 97% agreed it separates and defines lashes. 97% agree it's easier to cover than white lash primers. I would agree with that. Definitely easier. I'm wearing it right now. Take a quick guess. Ooh, this is a fun idea. Okay, so take a guess which side has the lash primer and which side just has eyelash curler. I know it's not a product, but like, you know what I mean. I curled one side and I used this product on the other. So let me know what you think it is. I don't even know if you can see my lashes. 91% agree they would replace their eyelash curler with this primer. Oh, that's interesting. So it retails for $32 and you get, I think it's 8.5 milliliters of product. Yeah, 8.5 milliliters, which is 0.29 fluid ounces. One thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is the fact that the second ingredient is hydrogenated olive oil sterile esters. Just olive oil, I feel like that doesn't typically go with cosmetics, like, you know, like oil dissolves makeup. So that's one thing I'm kind of like concerned about, I guess, is how long this product will actually wear because of that ingredient. I mean, I'm sure it's fine, but we'll see. I'm gonna do a wear test, so we shall see. And yeah, there's not much else to that. Let me see. It has one review. It's 5 stars. It says awesome mascara primer, no more stark white. Yes, I love that. Goes on easily, adds curl to my lashes. Yeah, so this person likes the product, so yeah. I don't not like the product, but I don't see a huge difference. I mean, I guess it's supposed to be comparable to the eyelash curler, so I guess you're not supposed to really see a difference. I just don't know. I don't see a huge difference. I guess it is a more healthy alternative to like constantly curling your lashes with this contraption, especially if you use heat on your eyelash curler. That's probably not good for your lashes. This is probably a more healthier alternative. I feel like it has good ingredients too to like condition them. So yeah, I'm wearing it today. We're gonna wear it all day. So far I don't see a huge difference, but let's get into the demo part of the video and you can get a closer look for yourself. Okay, so I have my Epic Curl Lash Primer here, and I'm just reading the directions to make sure I do everything right. It says to glide brush through lashes from root to tip using a lifting motion as you go. Repeat until you achieve desired lift and curl, and then follow with your favorite mascara. For best results, work one eye at a time and apply mascara while the lash primer is still wet. So that's what we're gonna do. I just don't know if I want to use the Go Big or Go Home mascara. I remember not loving it, or do I? I don't know. Yeah, actually, I think I'm gonna keep this either for a giveaway or for my kit. And I think I'm gonna use the Essence one.
Where is it?
Oh, okay. So the mascara that we're gonna use is the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. I really like Essence mascaras, especially for the price point. Really, really good. So let's open up the primer. Okay, pretty basic packaging. It just says Epic Curl Lash Primer on there. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I think what I'm gonna do, I'll put it on my left eye, and then I'm not gonna curl these lashes, but I am gonna curl these lashes and then not use this. So I'm comparing the primer to an eyelash curler because it says it'll give similar effects. So that's the game plan. I'm gonna use the KVD Lock-It Powder Mirror. I feel like that's fitting. Okay, so let's test this out. Oh, it's not white. I thought it was gonna be white. I don't know, because of the white packaging, I guess. Oh, ASMR. Oh, that's a nice sound. I like this better. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be white. I feel like lash primers usually are white. I don't know why that is. Like, I don't feel like that has any benefit because it just makes your lashes gray, but this one is already dark. It's not completely black. It's more of a gray color. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It might just look black in the viewfinder, but it's like a dark gray. So I like that. And yeah, let's get started and apply it. So I'm going to apply it to this eye and then follow up with the Lash Princess Mascara. And it says it's a healthier way to curl your lashes. I don't know if curling your lashes is bad for them. I guess it could be because you're like pinching them. Especially if you use heat, that's probably not good. Okay, I'm gonna grab a bit more. I know you're not supposed to pump your mascaras, don't come for me. I feel like this could be a mascara on its own. Okay, let's do one more coat for good measure. Now I'm gonna grab my Lash Princess Mascara before the primer dries. I have this gap in my lashes and it drives me bonkers. Like, see that gap right there? Like, why is that doing that? I hate it. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use my Buxom Lash Mascara. This almost has nothing left, but I really love this wand. It just gets rid of any excess product, and I feel like it kind of makes things less clumpy. All right, so that is that eye done. I don't wear mascara a ton. When I do wear makeup, I almost always wear falsies. I don't have much to compare this to, but I feel like they look okay. Okay, and was that English? I don't think so. And then on this side, I'm going to curl, and I am going to use the same mascaras and do the same steps, just with curling them. This is my House of Lashes eyelash curler. I really enjoy it. I'm just giving them a good squeeze. And then we'll go in with the mascara. I don't know why I feel like I need to like sing everything. I feel like I say that in every video too. Honestly, curling clients' lashes, like if I do someone else's makeup and I curl their eyelashes, it is one of the most terrifying things. I'm always so scared that I'm gonna... Oh, that was a big gust of wind. I'm always scared I'm gonna pinch their eyelid. I've never had that happen because I'm super careful, but like, what if, you know? Okay, I already feel like I like this side better. The side with the curled lashes. I don't know if it's because this set of lashes are nicer. It's so hard to tell because obviously my eyes have different sets of lashes and they don't grow the same way. Like, I hate that gap on this side and this side doesn't have that. Although I do feel like this side's looking a little clumpy dumpy. Okay, I'm just gonna let that dry. Okay, so this is the comparison between my lashes. Can you see? I don't know, I think I kind of like this side better, but I feel like this side might look a little bit longer. The side with the lash primer might look a little bit longer, but this side does look a little more curled. I feel like this side looks more separated, like an opened eye look, versus this one's a little clumpier, which makes sense because there's technically more product on this eye. I mean, I don't hate it, but I think I like this side better. Okay, so first impression, I do think I like the side that's curled better. It's just because it has less product, so the lashes are more separated and it gives me more of an open eye, and I do think that this side looks more curled. The gap in my lashes on this side is really driving me crazy, and I'm really not sure if my lashes always do that. I'm trying to think, and I can't quite recall. If I can't recall, that probably means that they don't always do that, right? Yeah, I think I do like the side that is curled just off of first impression. So yeah, that's kind of disappointing. But I'm gonna still wear it throughout the day and we'll see how they hold up, because I know that when you curl your lashes with a traditional eyelash curler, at least on my lashes, it definitely doesn't last. The effects start to wear off and then my lashes get all straight and pointy again. So yeah, we'll wear it throughout the day and then see which eye looks better at the end of the day. And yeah, so that's it for me right now. I will check in a couple hours and we will see how the lash primer, or the lashes I guess, are holding up. Okay, so I have been wearing this makeup for about 5.5 hours now, and the more I look at my lashes, the more I feel like they look the same. Like the eyes look the same. So I would say that this is comparable to using a lash curler, especially over time. Maybe not exactly at first, but as the day wears on, I feel like my lashes look more and more the same. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to wear the product on one side and then not on the other, and I'm also not gonna curl my lashes, so I'm just gonna do mascara on the other eye. And then we can kind of see how that compares, because as of now, I don't really see a difference between my eyes. So yeah, the next time you see me, it'll be tomorrow, and I will try this product again. Hello, my friends. So it is the next day and I have a full face of makeup on besides my lashes. So as I said earlier, I couldn't really tell a huge difference between the curled side and the primer side, which I guess is the whole point of the Epic Curl Lash Primer. So I wanted to compare it one side with the primer and then the other side just mascara not being curled. So again, I'm gonna put the Epic Curl Lash Primer on this eye. I think I'm also gonna do less coats of this. I have a hair. I haven't been setting my foundation lately and I find that my hair is kind of sticking to my foundation, which is not the vibe. Anyway, I think I'm gonna do 2 coats. I did 3 yesterday and I thought it looked a little bit clumpy. Okay, there's 1 coat. I think I'm happy with that. And then I'm gonna use the same mascara as I did yesterday, the Essence Lash Princess. Ooh. I feel like they look really clumpy. Oh no, that's not a good look. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my Buxom Lash Mascara wand just to separate them, because that's a clumpy look. I'm getting mascara all over my eyelids. Maybe that's a good sign. Maybe that means that the primer is making them longer and more curled. I feel like those are standing up pretty well. They're doing that thing again though where there's a gap in my lashes and I hate that. I might even, I'm gonna go in with a lash spoolie and remove any excess product. I don't know. I don't really like the way that looks, but I guess I don't really have a choice. I'm gonna let the mascara on my lid dry before I try to like flake it off, so I know it's there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with the Essence Lash Princess alone. Maybe it's this mascara that's kind of making things look clumpier. It's hard to say, because usually when I wear mascara, it's just to make my lashes black. I'm not actually building up the product just so I can put falsies on. So I do feel like this side looks a bit longer, but it's also clumpier. I still like this side better, but I don't know if I just have a better set of lashes on this side. I just don't know. I'm really on the fence about this product and I feel bad because I'm supposed to be doing a review and I just don't know how I feel. And the point of a review is to share how I feel about it. I do feel like this side looks more lifted now that I'm looking at it. I just hate that gap. That's just my lashes. That's not because of the primer. I just don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This side has the lash primer and this side does not. I think this set of lashes is just nicer, so I may have done the product an injustice. I do feel like this side looks a little bit longer and a little more lifted though, but I just think that this also looks a little more clumpy. I think it does do what it claims. I think this side does look a little more lifted. This side also looks a little more long, but this side also looks a little more clumpy to me, which makes sense because you are wearing more product on your lashes, and more product on your lashes typically equates to a increased frequency in clumps. So I think that's where I stand right now. I will check in with you guys later and we will see how it's holding up. Yeah, I think I do definitely see a difference the more I look at it. I feel like this one does look lifted, more lifted and longer. Let me know if you guys agree, because I could just be making stuff up to try and like this product. So far I'm on the fence, but I think it does what it claims. I'm also not a huge lash primer person. It's not part of my everyday routine, but I feel like if you are really into lash primers already, this one would be a really good option, especially because it's gray. Like I don't see any of that, you know, like whitish gray cast that some lash primers can give. So for a lash primer, I do like it, but I think I just don't love lash primers. I think that's my final verdict, but I will check back in with you in a couple of hours to see if this eye has fallen, and we'll just do a little check-in just to see how things are holding up. Also, yesterday I said that I was concerned about the olive oil that was in this product that's supposed to be conditioning, and there was no problem at all. There was no running. I wore my glasses for a lot of the day because I'm blind, and sometimes if there's gonna be a problem with mascara smudges, it's gonna be while I'm wearing my glasses. So I wore these all day and there was nothing, so I wouldn't think that there's anything to worry about in that regard. I just wanted to provide a quick update on that, and yeah, I will check back in with you in a couple hours. Hello friends, I am back lounging on my beanbag chair, and I think I have rounded up my final thoughts. I've been wearing this makeup for about 6 hours now, and I think I like the lash primer. Like, I will use it up, but I don't think I'd repurchase it just because I've realized I'm not really that big into lash primers in general. I think if you do like lash primers, this is a really good one, but for me, the step altogether just isn't my favorite. I'd rather just wear falsies. But I think if you do enjoy lash primers, I don't think you'd be disappointed with this one. I do think the lashes on the eye with the primer, which is this one, do look longer and more lifted. It's just not for me, just because I like a more natural lash look than more of a clumpy one. And this kind of makes your lashes a little thicker than my personal preference, and that just comes with the territory of lash primers in general. I guess that's why I don't really use them. I find that it's just too much product on my lashes. So the final verdict is, if you do like lash primers, I would recommend it, but if they're not for you, I wouldn't say that this is like a miracle product that you need to run out and buy. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, that's my final thoughts, and I'm glad that I finally have made an opinion on this product. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you found this review helpful. Please let me know if there's any other content that you would like to see. And please don't forget to subscribe. It is so very helpful to me. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!